To give someone access to your Facebook page, you need to use the Meta Business Suite. The process has changed and is different from the older settings menu on the classic page view. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Go to your page. Log in to Facebook and switch to the profile that has access to the page you want to manage. In the top right menu, find and select the page you want to give access to. Once you are on your page, look for the Professional Dashboard or Manage button on the left side of the screen and click it. Step 2. Navigate to Page Access. In the Professional Dashboard, scroll down on the left-hand side menu. Look for Page Access and click on it. This will open a new screen showing who currently has access. Step 3. Add a new person. On the Page Access screen, you'll see two sections, People with Facebook Access and People with Task Access. Click the Add New button next to either of these sections. Facebook Access. This gives the person full control of the page, including the ability to create content, respond to messages, and manage ads. They can also invite others to manage the page. Task Access. This gives the person specific permissions for certain tasks, such as creating content, sending messages, or running ads, without full control of the page. Step 4. Search and Grant Access. A window will pop up. Click Next. In the search bar, type the name or email of the person you want to add. Select the correct person from the search results. A new page will appear, where you can toggle on the specific permissions you want to grant them. For Task Access. For Facebook Access, you just need to confirm. Click Give Access. Step 5. Confirm with your password. To finalize the process, Facebook will ask you to enter your password for security purposes. Enter your password and click Confirm. The person you added will now receive an invitation. Once they accept it, they will be able to access and manage your page with the permissions you granted.